Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Skyborn. As we go back into the city with our drug-fueled, magic-powered fuel thing, ether fuel thing, yes. Yeah, whatever. Let's get the hell out of here. You people are the same, yes? So we'll have to go all the way around to this bloody thing. The hell are you, anyway? Why do you have a seat? Praetor Angril? Sire, the Colosseum is to my north, and the entrance to the south bridge is to my west. Let's go on now and final business to deal with the concerns of peasants. Okay. Yeah. Sup? You're deaf wish, Herman. Turn around and stay belong. Alright, so is this one then? Okay. The industrial district. The shit heap zone. Yay! Right, I've got to go back through the mine, I think? I can't bleeding remember. Oh, I've got to go back to the airship, haven't I? Dive. How do I get back to the airship? What am I doing? Where do I go? What's happening? Is this for sure? Quests. Right. Travel for the coal mines, return to Rebel HQ. Oh. Alright. Well, okay then. I didn't get the stuff for the chemist. Luckily, I don't care! Ah. Where the hell do I go now? I'm lost. It'll be up here. Ah, yes, I'm in the right area. Yay! Right. In we go. What the hell happened to my Roomba anyway? Where did that little vacuum cleaner git go? Right, onwards. Well, it's all you now, Clyde. Yes, I suppose. Need any help? No. Just let me do this alone. It'll be fine, yes. Yes, won't be a problem at all, dear boy. Next time I see you, the Prometheus engine will be done. Alrighty then. See you later. I'm sure it will be a work of art. Shove it up your arse, pretty boy. Right. Hello, Roomba. So I'm going to build it here. I've been going through this man 1,000 times. Now that we finally have all the parts, why is it hard to get started? Shut up, Roomba. Even scraps can be made into something wonderful. Nothing is ever too broken to be given up on. Theoretically, unless you trying for something in particular and the part has been melted down into lead. Mum, Dad, this is for you. Yes, and then we fade out to skip the cool bit. Yes. Whoop, no. Dad, just have to smash this bit with this hammer, that'll make it work perfectly. Yes, and then grindy. Right. Yes. Well, not quite done, but you can see what I'm going for here. Yes. Fetching yellow colour. The idea is to disguise it as some form of construction vehicle so it doesn't get spotted until it's too late. Well, let's hope you're right about this thing, Daddy. Shall we try turning it on? That might be good. Yes, no. Tulips. Can we just try turning it on? It's kind of technology has never been used before. But just as we don't know how to use it, the Skyborn don't yet know how to defend against it. Think it's time to get a few weapon upgrades though, which is going to be the rest of the quests coming up. We can make some less shite gear. Some armor. It's light. Actually, I think she goes. I'm going to have to check what bleeding armor she's meant to have. Right, leather. Okay. So medium armor. Here's a medium. Chest. Don't have any obsidian, do I? So. Yeah! Tell you how that works. Equip. Equip. Woo! Leather headband. Wow, okay, need to redo everything. Okay. Well, that was odd. Game crashed. Apparently it didn't let me make an armor. Well, let's try it again and see if it goes horribly wrong. Let's do it for everything, so let's do everything. Boop. Let's get a full set of armor, shall we? Yay! Alright. Oops, wrong one. Slightly clunky, you can't just click back to cancel out the whole thing. Not the worst thing in the world, but still. Yeah. So, make me some weapons. Two-handed gun. Highest quality two-handed gun. Flamethrower +2. This sounds promising. It's the same. What? What? Magic damage, 200 hits to enemies can inflict burning. Oh, alright, nice. Well, I can live with some of these, definitely. Right. Just in case. There we go. Onwards! Go in the inn. And heal? Whatever. So where is everybody then? Stairs, go down here. What? What do I do? I meant to turn it on. I tried turning it on. Nothing happened. There. Alright, so do I leave? What? Who's got the fuel? What's going on? Why are we here? Uh-oh. I didn't do nothing. Ah, hey you. Let's get everyone together upstairs and plan our next move. I suggest we kill everyone. That should be our next move. I can't remember what this guy's voice is. Sky's on fire! Help! Hello. Easy there, old timer. We've got a ringer in our team now. Oh, if we say so. But old Wax will look like a genius when she killed us all. Well, anyway, got some info for us, Wax? Yep, that's as we feared. The Skyborn are taking our friends to a higher level of town. One of our contacts are being hunted through bottling up town. We weren't able to track them any further. Never went through that. Correction. Very few humans around through there. I may have mentioned at some point that my family owns a majority stake in Blackstone Industries. It's such a large company that there is an entire division that deals directly with the Skyborn government. My father regularly travels up to Celestial District for company dealings and such. I happen to know that the factory is in possession of a special permit that allows Blackstone product to be delivered upstairs. With that permit, we'll be granted access to the uptown portal and right into the belly of the beast. What? But the previous engine? There's no way the guard would let you take it through. Right you are. But once you've made it up to Celestial District, it should be an easy matter to secure up space at the airship dock. Wax can bring the ship up, and we'll have everything we need. Can you bring yourself to fight your own kind during the inevitable melee, Elder? If it must be done, I will. I believe this coming events will be significant for us all. These strategic sense just makes us have to work. One minor difference. I say we fly the airship into their faces. Where's his wares, real Sally? Just head up to Blackstone offices in the Industrial District. It's going to be tricky to get that permit, though, so do keep on your toes. Blackstone security bots are a fearsome force indeed. Can't we just take it legally? Because you're allowed to have it? Is that silly? I understood that was nothing. I think you let us not. She's beating me. The apple of new limits. What the crud is that? Right, where? Item. Oh yeah, there's all this other stuff to eat as well. Branch of life. I might give the captain tanky pants. Or not. What does that do? Oh, revive some KO. Okay. Roast beef of vitality. Captain tanky pants. Onion of dexterity. Lady shooty pants. Ginger beer. Soda bread. Some weird stuff in this. Right. What I will also do is augment the crud out of my stuff. Yeah. And augment. Oh, quite a few. Plus the strand. Plus 3 metal ingot. Puffin feather. Draconoid tear. I don't know. I want a bleeding on. What does that do? Plus 75% weapon power, plus 2%. Yeah, whatever. It's plus 2, plus 3. Oh yeah. Do. Extra strength, extra agility, extra melee power. I'll just use a tear on it. Whatever. Now I'm done. I can't be asked. Can't compare directly. It's annoying. Oh yes. Oh no. I need to go to the. Yes, I need to go to the offices of Blackstone Industrial, which I believe are down here somewhere. Yes, in the Scuzzy area. Not quite the place of poo and sadness, but it's getting there. You, shopkeep! Can I steal your things? Right. Hello, punk. You Blackstone Industrial? You look important. Oh, you look even more important. What are you? Celestial Elevator. That's not Blackstone Industrial. Is this Blackstone Industrial? Yes, it is. Ah. Open door. Hello.
Oh, Mr. Chesterford, it's a pleasure to see you again. Most of the local staff is away on business. It's nice to see a friendly face.
Yes, well, whatever. A small conundrum arises.
If I were to suddenly demand to be given the permit, it would certainly draw attention of my father, putting a quick end to our plans. It'd be best if we could get our hands on it without drawing notice. Perhaps if there was some surrounding chaos.
So, you want me to blow shit up?
Precisely.
Alright. But that looks a bit advanced for a steampunk society. It looks like you got a microprocessor in that thing. I see you should be trying to mess up your security bots. You realise your system is a few years out of date. Ah, here we are.
Welcome to Blackstone Industries Security Net. Please choose from the following options.
Ooh. Let's just distract it.
Oh, I like it. Mr. Chesterford, thank goodness. It's madness in there. The security system's gone haywire.
Never fear, I shall subdue our seditious security straight away. It is serendipitous. I happen to chasser through this
place. Yeah, I ran out of sibilance. You know, we're going to have to fight our way through this now.
And what heroes we shall be.
I might kill you. Is that thing hurting itself? No, it's just changing colour. Right. I thought it was just ramming into the spikes and ripping itself apart. It's rather inefficient. To make spikes happen. Okay. A thing occurred. Definitely a thing that occurred. Yes. The spikes are open now. Hello, robot. You might be interesting. Oh, gun bots, so I say. Assault bot and guard bots. Hitting his claw isn't going to help much. Just... Which one's the assault bot? Guardboard Mark 5. Let's go for that one. Ooh, you haven't instantly killed it. That's interesting. Let's just attack it, see how much damage we do. Quite a lot. Okay. Just dot it. Missile rain. Excuse me. Boom. Ah. Yeah. Not that frightening then. Oh well. Ooh, level up. Yay, whatever. And that wasn't an imp. It's some other kind of murder delivery vessel. Alright. What happens if I go this way? Oh, I get XP. Okay. So you have on the end of a corridor and suddenly call in new things. Presumably what the end of the corridor looked like. It's definitely an experience. No. No, I see what I did then. Yes. Yes, I'm quite witty. Alright, what's up here? Let's just loop round. Better not just loop round. Doesn't it? Yes, it just loops round. What happens if I keep going up? I go down! If I go up. Get up, and get down. Get up, get down, and so on. Oh, I've gone the right way. Huh. Hello, treasure. Oh. Spain, sorry. This is probably going to be really good later on, but at the moment it's just it's a card. Can't do anything with a card. What do I want a card for? Ugh. Sad now. I think like a labyrinthine dungeon to get through. What's up here? Naffle! Right. Interesting security system you have there. Alright. Oh, okay. I thought that was going to attack me then it didn't. Ah, stone door. This makes sense. Da-da-dee. Hello. Ooh, you've got hoverbots. Should see a doctor about that. Oh, Chaska. This Chaska appears to be able to murder them. Got it. Ooh, that did a lot of damage. What if Chaska might pass out? One of these days I might care if that happens. Yeah. Burn! Not very nice. Careful, that is just unsporting. Not very nice at all. Yeah. Yeah, just whatever. Jessica might be hurt, I don't really care. So what's this? It does that. What did that other lever do, if anything? That's probably if one on the other side it flips them around. Be my guess. Killing all the things, killing all the things. Killing all the things. Yay, I think died. Well, dies a robot, it doesn't really die, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Whatever. Hello, boxes. Potion? I'll click that one, that's annoying. Healing item, healing item. Healing item. Yeah, whatever. Oh no, not a thing. Actually, can you do anything useful? Not against these guys, really. Slashy, slashy. Alright, you can get your Jessica, so it's done. Yay! Alright. Ow. Could you please not do that? That'd be nice. Ooh. Missile rain. Did a bit. Kill them all. Ah. Ah, I don't know. Ooh, 3 levels up. Nice. Right. Let's use some healing items, might as well. Bleh. There's our percentage, that's interesting. Give more bits of crud. Oh, ginger beer gives you MP. Okay. Whatever. Oh, we got treasure chest. Don't miss the treasure. 60, no. 60 quid. Wow. That's just mind-blowingly good, that is. 60 bloody quid. Oh, Lixi's better. Right. Oh. A weird XP thing. Yeah, whatever. So I need both down to get that to work. Interesting. Interesting. It's so interesting. Branch of life. 'Tis the branch of life. What needs it for living? Yeah, oh, that just comes up from there. Ah! Yeah. Ah, whatever. Oh, I didn't mean to attack that one, but hey, huh? Oh. No. Yeah, you go and call in. Have your moment of... Oh. Ow. Stop firing those bloody missiles at me. Right? It's just not on, you know? Just firing missiles at me. It's just not what's done, you see. No proper gentlemanly fisticuffs. Yes. Right, onwards. And there's nothing there. All right, so it's a thing, I suppose. Remember this room. It has a box with oh. Oh. I was hoping there was better things in the box. There was not.